Hey everybody, I'm starting a brand new channel with a series of videos based on Luke Hatfield's help guide. My name's Jim, and this is The Edge of Tech. So I'm brand new to 3D printing, maybe 6 or 8 weeks out, and Luke's guide, along with Luke himself, has really helped me get my printer and on many other people's printers going great. So I wanted to give back and start filming a series of videos that goes through step-by-step instructions of Luke's already awesome guide, and I'm hoping it enhances it for everybody. These videos will allow you to follow the instructions step by step of each section that you're trying to go through. Don't forget you can pause while you're performing the steps and rewind to see the step again, so take your time and make sure you get it right. I'm actually working with Luke himself to determine the order that we'll film these videos in. And our goal would be to go through and create a video for each section in his awesome guide. Stay tuned, our first video is coming up. Don't forget to subscribe below and hit the bell so it notifies you when the videos start coming out. We'll see you soon.